Mr. Painter, just how safe are farm tractors?
Well, I'm sure that you're aware, as everybody else is, that there's a lot of farm accidents, tractor accidents, as well as equipment that tractors pull. They're generally safe if they're used for what they were designed for, used under the conditions for which they were designed. Most tractor accidents, I think, happen because people don't use the tractors properly, particularly machinery and equipment. Most tractors and machinery have safety features built into them by the manufacturers, and it's not uncommon for farmers to remove a lot of these safety features, discard them, and this is when we run into tractor accidents and machinery accidents.